How to fix Instagram story not uploading on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open App Store or Play Store and type Instagram. Now you will find here Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, click on it, and if you can't find update and that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings. Now battery, disable power saving mode, and now let's move to the next step. This one is for Android phones. Go to apps and apps again and type here Instagram, then click on it. Now click for stop and go to storage and clear cache and go to permissions. Give it all of those permissions here. Now restart your phone and go try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.